how to connect your laptop to a monitor. Hooking up a monitor to your laptop gives you more desktop space and comfortable for your working environment, and simply a bigger display to work on when you are at desk. Most laptops have at least one connector that can be used to plug in a monitor, be it hdmi, VGA or DisplayPort. So make sure you have connected to your external monitor before you proceed. Fast method. In the fast method, right click on your desktop, then choose this display setting, and you will now go to your display setting option. Here just scroll down, and this multiple display option, you will see various options. Four kind of option you will see, like so only on two, only one, extend these displays, duplicate these displays. So it depends, means which one you want. If you want to like extend this display, you mean if you want to extend your screen to the next monitor, so you can choose the extend this display option. If you want to show only one option, you can choose this. It depends on you. So keep this display setting, keep changes. So now we will see the method number 2. So in the second method, what you're gonna do is, in your keyboard, press Window plus P button, and you will get notice this side pop-up screen will come out, and there will be 4 options you will see, and each option have separate functions, so you need to choose according to your requirement. And the first option, PC screen only, that option you will see only your laptop screen or your main screen. And in the second option, duplicate, you can duplicate your screen with your external monitor, and whatever work we will in the primary laptop, the same thing we can see in the secondary monitor. And the third option, the extend option, which most of the time we need, is if you want to display some external screen and we want to work on other work in our primary screen, we can do in this extend option. So if we press this extend option, go through the primary screen to secondary screen and vice versa. And the last option is second screen only. In this option, your second screen will be active and your primary screen of your laptop will be on dark mode, which you cannot see the monitor screen, and your secondary monitor screen will be active. So as you can see here, this way we can do the connection between primary laptop to secondary monitor, and we can extend our display and vice versa. Thank you for watching.